water. Is water wet?
Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air.
Take 12 action.
Okay, so the prediction we have on this experiment is that the water is going to be more of a descriptive term rather than a term on its own, because you can't describe a descriptive term with it being the descriptive term. That's just like describing air being dry, which doesn't make sense.
Throughout the week, we've gathered students around the school and asked them if they believe water is wet or not. This is what they had to say.
Do you think water is wet? No, because the internet says it's not.
Do you think water is wet?
No.
Why?
Because water is what makes things wet.
Do you think water is wet?
No, water isn't wet because it's on its own.
Do you think water is wet?
Okay, water is not wet. Wet is something that water makes you, so how can water be wet? No. No.
Do you think water is wet?
No, I don't think water is wet because what makes it wet is just the texture. So no, it's not wet.
Do you think water is wet?
Yes,
Why?
because it's wet.
Based on everyone's opinions, they're leading more to the conclusion that we also had, which is that water is gonna not be wet because it's more of a descriptive term, as some of the others had said. So,
what is the definition of water?
Water is a state of matter called a liquid and chemical that embodies most of the planet Earth and in the lives of organisms at high ratios. And it moves freely and takes on any form. Water cannot move everywhere because of its chemical properties and therefore instead slides past each other.
okay. So the preparation tools we have for this project are a cup, a bowl, and water is in both of them, and we're planning on putting this one into this one to combine both liquids to see if it shows that water is wet or not. So let's do it.
So wanna see you dance in slow motion. We can take our time, baby, in slow motion. We can take our time, stay here.
See, that's wet.
Have you ever noticed that you can't feel wetness if your hand is completely submerged and held still inside water? Or that a drop of water on the skin doesn't feel wet. The wetness of the water is thought to be due to its high moisture content. Now it feels wet.
The results of the experiments performed show that our conclusion was right from the beginning. As seen in the first video, when water meets water, nothing changes and it is still the same liquid it began with. This is because water is not wet due to the H2O molecules being nothing but the 3 atoms that make up a molecule. This only occurs if water, being a liquid, meets a solid object. As seen in the second video, the water shows a hand being submerged, so the molecules immediately surround it, leaving it saturated. But your hand isn't wet until it leaves the water into air. This is just like liquid never being wet because it is always surrounded by water. Therefore, concluding the unsolved mystery of water being wet or not is finally solved. Water is not wet.
You got what I need, but you say he just a friend, and you say he just a friend. Oh, baby, you got what I need, but you say he just a friend, but you say he just a friend.
Is why is Today's topic is why is water cold?
I believe water is not wet because being wet is a state of another element having water molecules on it.
What is your opinion on water being wet or not?
Water is not wet actually. It just wet the objects, but it doesn't wet itself.
Throughout, oh wait, I said.
Is my flash on?
Okay, I'm sorry. Yes. The results of the experiment. Take 9, action.
Alright, so
Take 8, action.
okay, so our prediction for the experiment is that the water is going to be more of a descriptive term.
Don't look at me, don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Come on, take your thing out of your face. Shut up.
Oh my god.
Do you think water is wet?
No.
Why?